Hello, hello. Back with the EWin Night Series chair. Gonna put it together here for you. Step one is actually attaching the cushions and all that, but it's already done, so we don't even have to worry about that. And I have my little helper here, of course. This is Ozzy. Let me get this and this. Step one is remove these, which, you know, it says here's the tool, but they're hand tightened, so it's not a big deal. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, maybe I will use a tool then. Just a little tight. Wow, okay. Well, they're in there good. We know that much, right? Alright, so there's that one, that one. I'm going to do this by hand. I mean, I could have used my drill or something like that. I mean, I have the attachments and all that, but most people aren't going to have all that stuff. So, I'm just going to do it this way. Now, we have these here. Got a washer, a lock nut, and that. So, next step, done, done, done. Next step, mount the screws onto the side covers. Once the side covers are already there, whatever. Here's the side cover. There they are here. Because there is, I need these two, right? Yep, I need the small ones for this. I need two of them. Two small ones go in here like so. Because these, I believe, just go into there. Yeah. So that's that, and that's that. So we need that. Next step is basically assembling it. Get this here. Okay, we have to line them up. Okay, so we got one. That one started. Oops, dropped it. Not good. Alright, let's try it again. Alright, I'll just put these in by hand for this second. And then I'll tighten them up once they're all in. And this one's at an odd angle here. Maybe not. Nope, just have to deal with it, I guess. This one. Okay, so let's do this. And the other part, the instructions also have this part not attached either. So it's already attached, so you don't even have to worry about that. At least on this one, you don't have to, right? Okay, so all tightened on this side. Let's turn it. We'll get it tightened over here. There are these little plugs as well that go with the screws, or that go with the side pieces. It's fairly easy to do. It really doesn't take long at all to get it attached, or to get it assembled. Oh well. I believe I need that one for that. Alright, so this clips on. One of these goes here, one of them goes there. Ah, that's right. This flat one goes here. The other one goes on the other side because it has the where the handle is. Thanks for the help, buddy. I don't need it. Okay, well there we go with that. Now this one is for the side where the adjustment piece is. So we put this one on here. Okay. Oops, turn it around. This one on. Find a hole. There it is. And it doesn't require really any, like tool knowledge or anything like that. It's very simple to do. Here, let's unlock that and bring it back. Next up is that's on, then the base. Now we need to flip it over and put the base on, the base of the chair, which the pneumatic section attaches to. So here. Front is that way. So I need this, and these come out. And basically all you're going to do is just put them right back in. So don't let them go too far, as it were. Oh, that one's tight. Cat, give me that. They do give you extra pieces in case your cat walks away with something. Like he's trying to do. But luckily that's the extra one he's walking. Give me that, don't eat that. Ugh. No, don't eat the nuts. No! I apologize. He's a kitten, and you know. And you know how this works. He's a kitten. So he has to get into everything. And actually, he has to be with me wherever I go. Trust me, it's annoying at times. Follows me all around the house. I call him Little Ozball, even though his name is Ozzy. Okay, so that's those. Tighten them up. Okay. Alright, get these tightened. Okay. Well, it's nice to give it tools as well, by the way. Or else you'd have to buy them or go digging for them or whatever. I mean, I know I have these, but who knows where they are. Okay, and that's that. Next step would be, now the next step it says to do that. Place the hydraulic system on. Oh no, wait. Okay. Instructions are a bit weird. Let's pay attention to them. Put these on first, our casters, and that's it. They're in. Weight keeps them in. Or weight will lock them in. They do have a little rim on them that locks them in. And there it is there. So, and you have our pump. That's it. Very simple to do. Next up is to just set it in place. And it's done. Oops, wait, I forgot this part. Sorry. Gotta put this on too. It hides it. It makes it look pretty, right? And yeah, it is a heavy chair, by the way. Nice, quiet, smooth operation. Up and down, back and forward. Not bad. And of course, raise it up and down. Then we have our lock. We can tilt it back and forth. But then down here is that adjustment, which is way back there. I know, it's just fine. I'll figure it out. But that's it. EWin Night Series chair completed and assembled. I mean, well, I can't really see the time on the video right now, but that's the chair, and didn't take that long. Comfortable, very, very well made chairs, let me tell you what. All right, thanks a lot.